Okay, I have the Microsoft Excel. All right, so you can see the Microsoft Excel over here. All right, and I just make it a bit bigger so that you can see. All right, now currently you can see a Y and a yes, but if I were to change this to a N, it will become a no. See, see, and this is actually achieved uh, using the if function. See that? The if function. So when you use the if function, you can actually create a condition. Right? So my condition here is actually pretty simple. If C1, this C1 is over here, equals to something, so it will be evaluated to either true or false. So if it's true, do this line. Right? If value is true, do this. But if the value is false, do this particular line. Right. So this allow the Excel spreadsheet formula, right, to do condition, right, and based on the condition, right, take two possible action.